Do you guys know where the Lapu Lapu Shrine is?
What?
Lapu Lapu Shrine? Do you know where it is? It's your first time to come here? Wow. Do you know who Lapu Lapu was? Like who was he? Who is Lapu Lapu?
Our ancient heroes.
Oh, he's a hero?
Oh yes.
What's he a hero for?
Lapu-Lapu he is trying to defeat Magellans, because Magellans trying to
Invade
To invade?
this island.
So biyani jud siya dito sa
Yes.
Pilipinas. So asa man ang train ba dito? Or wala diri?
Nganong gilisod-lisod ka niyo yung ginabuhi? Lisod kayo ilang ginabuhi sa daminaw ko. Tapos, ang pag-Bisaya, di ko kaya. Kung hindi siya mo Bisaya.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby.
Wow, this place is sweet. So chill. Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ako di ay si Dwayne Woolley ug kaubon nako karon ang akong gwapang asawa nga si Shanta. So nagabisaya ta karon kay naaman ta diri sa Cebu. Nindot kaayo ang pananawon diri sa Cebu, grabe no. Gwapa kaayo ang syudad, matahom ba. Karon buhaton nato ang English only prank diri sa Cebu. Pero this time pretending I don't speak Bisaya. So mag-English sa ta, tapos unya kalitra ta mag-Bisaya. Oy, my Bisaya is so rusty karon no. Dugay na wala ka nang ka-istorya og Bisaya, grabe. Tanawon na ako kung unsay reaction nila. What's that tops?
Perhaps overlooking the city.
Overlooks the city.
Yeah.
Is it far or
No, 15 minutes.
15 minutes away?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What, you can take a motorbike all the way up there? Oh, really?
You're making a vlog, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Is it good? Like, what else can you see at the top?
Yeah, overlooking the city, whole city.
The whole city, you can see everything. Oh, okay. Like, pilang pamasahe tika to dito?
Ay, narami nila sa yun. Very difficult to speak English.
Once I kayo ka...
You're very clever, huh?
You guys know what the Lapu Lapu Shrine is? Yeah. How do you get to the Lapu Lapu Shrine?
I think you can ride a taxi. Taxi, right? Taxi or...
Is it really expensive if you take a taxi?
Yeah, I think 400 going to Mactan. Mactan Island, right? Yes.
Mo di ay. Kay gikan man mi sa kuan.
Oh my God!
Lagi oh.
Because English teacher.
English teacher ka?
Yeah.
Amo ba? Mo di ay. Mansay kayo ka mag-English.
Ikaw, sige ko. Hala, basin mo yun siya. And then, na lang siya. Oh, yes.
Katawanan.
Oh my God.
Mo ba?
Yes.
Pwede
siya mag-picture.
pwede.
Bye-bye.
After this, we're going to the Lapu Lapu Shrine. Do you know how to get there?
So far
It's really far.
here.
What, do I take a taxi or what do I do?
You can take a taxi.
Take a taxi, okay.
Or Angkas, like that.
Oh, Angkas? Oh, okay, the app. Yeah, cool. Alright. Kay gikan man mi sa kwan kanina sa Mactan Island, pero wala ni na. Nabalik kami dito. Kuwan ta. Ayun, nagaling mo mi og kwan. Dili ko pa na mag-Bisaya prank. Asa mo? Dili lang.
Ganina na, ana.
Sa Lapu Lapu Shrine, dili na ko ninyo ma-prank.
Oh, bitaw.
It's overlooking the whole city. Alright. How much do you charge going up there? 100. And then 100 coming down again. Nindot ba ang view dito sa taas?
Nindot gid guys eh.
Nindot kayo? Oo ba? Kay ganahan mi og kuan ingon ana. Safety.
Friends tayo.
So
Sa tops.
sa tops, tagpila ang pamasahe pangingon ngadto?
Sara 100.
100
Kada usa.
kada usa.
Padulungan, nabiyaan na.
Dili ma'am, huwaton niya ma'am. Mawag yung sakyan balik.
Na by discount ang kabalo mag-Bisaya. Do you guys go to Tops?
Yeah.
But I just want to know, is it nice? Is it good up there?
Nice.
It's good? Yeah. What can you see from the top? Like what can you see when you're up there? Ay kung unsay mong malantaw ba dito? Gikan sa Igbaw.
Nice. Lindot.
Nindot kayo dito sa taas.
Sweeter, makita rin mo ang sweeter.
Syudad, ang syudad. Tama ba? Nindot kayo. Oy. Salamat kayo, kuya.
English, magaan niya. Diba na kami saya?
Salamat, kuya.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling.
Salamat kaayo sa pagtanaw or maraming salamat sa panonood. It's 25 shoutout time everybody. At una sa lahat, i-shoutout po namin si Roxanne Bolo. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Next is Mary Chu Tabaquero. Ayan, thank you very much. Next up we have Reese Cassandra. Maraming salamat po Reese. Filipino Gaming, salamat po sa panonood sa Donta. At last but not least, Royal Flash 17. Maraming salamat po din. Abangan niyo po ang susunod na video dito sa Donta Channel. Bye bye everybody!